Hello everyone, just wanted to let you know that a brand new addition to the Vulkan tutorial season is now online and available. This is tutorial number 7 in the Vulkan API computer graphics tutorial series. So this deals with render pass, subpass, rasterizer, the viewport and the scissors, a little bit of color blending, and pipeline layout. This is a video walkthrough that is 60 minutes long. So it's a video walkthrough that's, once you get the ebook, you have a link to YouTube where it pretty much walks you through discussing these topics. As you might be familiar already, my strategy has always been take working code. In this case, it's a triangle that's generated from the Vulkan API, and then dissect it to understand how the algorithm works and how it does what it does. So on this tutorial number 7, you're dealing with render pass, subpass, rasterizer, all that good stuff. If you are just learning about this series, I highly suggest that you start from tutorial number 1, which talks about how to get the Vulkan API running on a Windows-based machine. So again, it's another video walkthrough where I walk you through the process of installing the Vulkan API and getting it to successfully run on a Windows-based machine, and of course generating the triangle that we use to learn and to dissect the Vulkan API. So if you're interested in the other tutorials, these are the other tutorials here. 1, 6, 5, 3, 4, 2, all of this. But this is the promo for tutorial number 7. So I'm going to be working on some more tutorials also, and really try to get an understanding of the Vulkan API and communicating it to the world so that the world will be a better place. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel so you're notified of new updates, whether it be Vulkan or other technologies. Have a great day.